Okay, children, here it is the first question of exercise 10.3 in chapter mensuration. Uh, just to analyze the question here, an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters. So, the first shape of a iron pillar is cylindrical. And what is the height of that cylindrical portion? That is 2.8 meters. So, here in this figure, you can observe this. This is the cylindrical portion. So, height of this portion is 2.8 meters and 20 centimeters in diameter. So, diameter is 20 centimeters and a cone of 42 centimeters height surmounting it. So, 40. This is cylindrical portion is surmounted by a cone of height 42 centimeters. 42 centimeters. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. So, we need to find the weight of the complete pillar if 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. So, how to solve this problem? This iron pillar is a combination of cylindrical portion and also conical portion. So, we have to find the volume of the complete iron pillar. So, for that, we need to solve this problem by step. In the first step, we have to find the volume of the cylindrical portion, and then we need to find the volume of the conical portion, and we have to calculate the total volume of the cylindrical and conical portions. Then we have to find the weight of the complete iron pillar. So let us try to solve this problem. So volume of iron pillar is equals to volume of, what is the first shape here? Cylindrical portion plus volume of conical portion. So let us find the volume of cylindrical portion. Here, what are the measurements given for the cylindrical portion? Height is given as 2.8 meters. And here diameter is given. How much? That is 20 centimeters. So we need to find the radius from the diameter. We know radius is equals to d by 2, that is 10 by 2, 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeters. That is 10 centimeters. If you observe the measurements here, the height is in the meters. The units of height is here meters, and here the radius we found it in centimeters. So let us convert it into the same units. So 2.8 meters can be converted into centimeters. We know 100 centimeters is 1 meter. So 2.8 into 100, we will get 280 centimeters. Now both are in the same units. What is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder? Yes, to find the volume of the cylinder, V is equals to pi r square h. This is the formula to find the volume of the cylinder. So V is equals to what is pi? 22 by 7. What is R? 10 centimeters. R square is there. So again we are multiplying with 10. And what is H? That is 280 centimeters. So what is the volume of the cylinder here? 7 ones are 7 fours are 28. So now calculate the volume. 2200 into 40. That is 88000 centimeter cube, because volume will be always expressed in centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So now we found the volume of the cylinder. What is our next calculation? We need to find the volume of the iron pillars conical portion. Iron pillars conical portion. So let us find the volume now. So we have noted the volume of cylinder as 88,000 centimeter cube. Now let us find the volume of this conical portion. What are the measurements given here? In particular, there is only one measurement, that is height of the cone. But we know this cone is surmounted the cylindrical portion. So the radius of the cylinder is equals to the radius of the cone. So height is given as 42 centimeters. Radius just now we've calculated, that is 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now what is the formula to find out the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 pi we know 22 by 7. What is r? Again it is 10. H, that is 42 centimeters. Now 7 6 are 42, 3 2s are 6. After cancellation, let us multiply 2200 into 2, that is 4400 centimeter cube. We know volume of any solid is always expressed in the form of the cubic units. So here volume of cone is equals to 4400 centimeter cube. So we now found out the two steps of the solution. In the first step we found the volume of the cylindrical portion, and in the second step we found the volume of the conical portion. Now what we have to do? We have to find the volume of the complete iron pillar. So we have to sum up the volume of cylinder and also volume of the cone. Now let us find out the total volume of the iron pillar. So volume of iron pillar is equals to volume of cylinder. Here we noted it as 88,000 centimeter cube plus 4,400 centimeter cube. So after summing up, you will get 92,400 centimeter cube. 92,400 centimeter cube. So is this enough? No. We need to find the, what is our aim? We need to find the weight of the pillar. If 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 7.5 grams. So it is given that 1 centimeter cube of iron, weight of the iron is 7.5 grams. We need to find out the weight of the complete iron pillar. That is combination of the two shapes. Let us try to find the weight of the complete iron pillar. Total weight of the pillar. Total weight of the pillar, total weight of the pillar, total weight of the pillar at a weight of 1 gram is 1 centimeter cube is 7.5 grams. 7.5 grams. So here we got the total volume as 92,400 centimeter cube is equals to, so 92,400 centimeter cube into 7.5 into 7.5. So after multiplication, let us do the multiplication here. 5 zeros are 0, 5 0, 5 fours are 20, 5 twos are 10 plus 2 12, 5 nines are 45, 46, 7 0 0, 7 fours are 28, 7 twos are 14 plus 2 16, 7 nines are 63 plus 1 64. So we are getting it as 8 plus 2 10, 12 plus 1 13, 8 plus 1 9, 693 693,000. There is one decimal point, so 693,000 grams of weight. Total weight of the pillar is. Now let us convert it into kgs. We know 1000 grams is 1 kg. Weight in the kgs is equals to 693,000 by 1000. We are going to get 693 kgs. So now we found the weight of the pillar, that is a combination of cylindrical and conical portions. Here the total weight is 693 kgs. So in this way we need to solve the problems of, we need to find the weight of the given combination of solids.